How to fix the message Apple could not verify the name of the app is free of malware that may harm your Mac. So when you see this message when you try to run an app, then this is what you can do. Okay, so click on the Apple icon at the top corner right here, and then we go down and click on System Settings. In System Settings, we scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. On the right panel here, you want to scroll down to the Security section, and then next to the name of the app, click on Open Anyway, and here click on Open Anyway. Next, either use password or your fingerprint to open it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.